You clicked on this video to learn how to open a Sage Oracle. I'll be showing it on an Oracle Touch, but the steps are the same for both Sage and Breville Oracle and the Oracle Touch. First, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Then, you'll need a Torx T20. Start by removing the bean hopper as shown. Vacuum any leftover beans if needed. First, locate the two Phillips screws at the front, underneath the brew head. Make sure the machine is cold so you don't burn yourself during the process. Then, locate and unscrew the other Phillips screw on the opposite side. You can lift the drip tray and turn the front wheel knob to raise the wheel, then rotate the machine 180 degrees. Now, remove the water tank to locate two Phillips screws. We'll remove them later. Now, take your Torx T20 screwdriver and remove the Torx screws. And then the other one. Switch back to your Phillips screwdriver and remove the last two screws. Lift the lid slightly from the back to remove the rear cover, as shown. Now, gently pull the cover towards you. Then rotate the machine slightly. Place the cover carefully next to the machine, making sure not to scratch it. Find a bucket or a similar object to place the lid on. Since the lid has many cables attached, I find this the easiest way. The bucket I'm using is about 20 centimeters high, which is around 8 inches. Be careful not to scratch the machine or the lid when turning it. Normally, when I work on these machines, I use a towel or something similar to protect it from scratches, like so. Now you have full access to work inside the machine. And here on the right-hand side, you can see the triac circuit board. If this video helped you, or if you'd like more tips, I'd really appreciate a like and if you subscribe to the channel.